Imagine this. You wake up determined to conquer your day, but suddenly hours vanish into scrolling and overthinking. Why does it feel so hard to just start? Here's the truth. Resistance is strongest at the beginning. It's like trying to push a boulder uphill. It's heavy, daunting, and sometimes you'd rather not even try. But what if I told you there's a way to bypass that resistance instantly? Meet the 0-second rule. The moment you realize you're wasting time, you act immediately. Don't negotiate, don't ponder, don't ask yourself, do I feel like starting? Spoiler, you won't. Let's face it, no one's ever been like, yes, I can't wait to write this report instead of binging Netflix. But here's the secret, momentum is your ally. Like Leonardo da Vinci said, it's easier to resist at the start than at the end. For instance, I wash my cookware before eating. Why? Because the thought of a pile of dirty dishes ruins the joy of dinner. When I act now, I free myself from the mental clutter. Every moment you wait, resistance grows stronger. It's like letting small tasks snowball into an avalanche. But what happens when you stop that snowball in its tracks? What's the real payoff of tackling the hard things first? When you adopt the 0-second rule, you don't just beat procrastination. You unlock clarity, momentum, and freedom. The sooner you start, the sooner you finish. The hard things won't haunt you, they'll empower you. So next time you catch yourself hesitating, don't think, just act. Will you choose to let resistance win? Or will you take control, one 0-second decision at a time? Decide now, start now.